So we have the new Precision Matthews PM-30 that just showed up here. And I've been waiting for this one for a while. It was back ordered. And you know what? A lot of people have been waiting for this one. And I had the Weiss 30 like 3 or 4 years ago, and I really actually liked it for a nice mid-sized mill. So I cracked the lid loose. I have not peeked inside yet. So, there it is. So, we got to get it out of the box here. Hopefully everything looks okay. It's kind of hard to see it. So, from what I can see, nothing looks damaged, which is good. So good, I'm going to strip the box off it here and see what we got. We'll come back in like 10 more minutes.